If you are exposed to a great piece of art, and of course I include cinema and theatre, then it gives an opportunity for the audience in the safest of spaces to examine where he or she is on their journey precisely now. If I had to define myself, I would say that my tribal function is a storyteller. That is why I'm on the face of this earth, to serve my tribe, you, to ease the evolution of my tribe and provoke it, and to mirror it, reflect it. The actor's role, tribal role in society, is within the comfort and explanation and excitement of drama to say, I know. And in that precise moment, whether it's a dark theater or a cinema, or face-to-face on your tablet, your iPhone, your iPad, whatever, however you're experiencing it, there will be, in a good film, in a good play, that gesture where the audience feels, something's just touched me and I'm not alone.